Yeah, and believe it or not, it was my first time to travel in Turkish Airlines, and as you say, I'm a frequent traveler. Singapore coming up, China 2 weeks ago, so yes, it was my first time, and I really enjoyed it. I really liked it. What I have to say to me was one of the highlights, believe it or not. The business class was excellent, but I have to say one of the highlights was the lounge in Istanbul, because I just came from a different airport, we shall say, in the lounge, and I have to say the lounge in Istanbul is probably the best lounge I've been in right around the world. Everything from the range of foods, the design, the architecture, and of course a piano playing there without a person playing it was very, very nice, which I also took a picture of, which was very nice. So I found that a very nice place to spend some time, some downtime while you're waiting for your connecting flight. I think the other interesting thing about Turkish Airlines, of course, is I was able to fly from Dublin, and clearly that's key for me. It's normally what I would have done would fly to London, then take another connection and another connection. In this case, we did it in two. So it was very nice to be able to go to Istanbul as the hub this time and go elsewhere. So certainly it will be in my thoughts for whatever my next journey is.